The new 2023 Toyota Fortuner will completely shock the entire car industry. Toyota's top-selling vehicle, the Fortuner SUV, has debuted its new generation this year. Thailand will be the first country to introduce the new SUV model before other nations. New body panels and significant cosmetic changes will be made to the Toyota Fortuner in 2023. The tngaf platform, which replaces the existing IBM architecture, will be one of the significant updates. The new Toyota Innova High, which is scheduled to make its debut in early 2023, will be supported by the same platform. The tngaf platform, which can support wheels with a wheelbase ranging from 2,850 millimeters to 4,180 millimeters, is the foundation for all of Toyota's global SUVs, including the Tundra, Sequoia, and Land Cruiser. The new Fortuner will be powered by a 2.8-liter 1GDF TV diesel engine with an integrated starter generator that uses mild hybrid technology. The automaker will be able to achieve significant economies of scale and cut costs and development time with the aid of the new architecture. According to reports, the automaker refers to the diesel hybrid powertrain as the GD hybrid. The new hybrid powertrain will increase the SUV's fuel efficiency compared to before. In terms of features, the regenerative braking system harvests kinetic energy during braking and deceleration to provide extra torque during acceleration. The new Toyota Fortuner will have a lot more features than the current generation when it debuts in 2023. The SUV can be equipped with ADAS, or Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, which includes blind spot detection, automatic emergency braking, automatic park assist, and adaptive cruise control. An electric drive unit replaces the current hydraulic steering wheel and adds collision warning and lane departure warning. Additionally, the new Fortuner has vehicle stability control. The new tngaf platform will be used to construct the following generation of Innova High. Toyota and Lexus make use of this platform in the Land Cruiser and the Lexus. The new Fortuner will also feature a new mild hybrid configuration from Toyota. The new Fortuner is equipped with an alternator in this configuration, which helps with acceleration and drives the vehicle at low revs. Toyota is not known for its modern functionality as a brand, but nevertheless, it's attempting to change the perception as demonstrated by the new Toyota High. As a result, we could see that the new Fortuner received the same treatment. It may have a panoramic sunroof, a new instrument cluster, and a 360-degree setup. Can we expect ADAS? Yes, we can see Toyota's sense of security on the new Fortuner given that the Innova High is receiving it now. Now, let's get to the important question. Will it be less? We believe the new Fortuner will have a price increase, relying on the variability. According to reports, Toyota intends to launch the brand new Fortuner in 2023, but the earliest Toyota will launch the new Fortuner is in Thailand. The possibility of that happening is pretty slim because the car will use the tngaf platform, which will increase the price as well as the mild hybrid setup, as well as Toyota will give it some innovative features. The Toyota Fortuner is offered in the following body shapes from the engine transmission specifications listed below, and the price range varies depending on the selected trim level, starting at $49,715 and raising to $62,945 for the final year the model was produced. The interior is modernized, though it has leather accents and wood-grain steering wheel inside. Keep in mind that this vehicle is primarily a four-wheel drive SUV and not built with luxury in mind. For the most recent model that is available, the Toyota Fortuner can now tow a maximum 3,100 kilograms. Along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the Fortuner has 17-inch alloy wheels in the colors Glacier White, Silver, Sky Feverish Red, and Graphite. Additionally, it has daytime running lights and LED headlights, Eclipse Black, Phantom Brown, and Saturn Blue. The back two seats in the Toyota Fortuner can be folded down to the sides of the trunk to create a customized seating configuration despite having 7 seats. When all seats are upright, the boot can hold 200 liters. When the third row is folded, it can hold 716 liters. And when the second and third row are flat, it can hold 1,080 liters. The Toyota Fortuner is a versatile vehicle that comes in a variety of variations and body types. It is powered by diesel fuel, and its estimated fuel consumption for the most recent model year was 7.6 liters per 100 kilometers for an SUV diesel. The Toyota Fortuner has a variety of wheel and tire options, the largest size being 265/65R17 for SUVs. The new Fortuner will maintain its familiar 2.8-liter diesel engine, which is currently capable of 150 kilowatts and 500 newton-meters of torque. The major change will be the addition of the 48-volt mild hybrid system, which will not only reduce fuel use and emissions, but should also provide a power boost on takeoff for quicker acceleration. Japanese media reports that a launch in 2023 has been discussed since last year. For its traditionally diesel-powered lineup, Toyota Australia has also been actively looking into diesel-electric technology. Last year, the company told the media that the technology would be a good option for diesel enthusiasts. We are aware that some people have a strong devotion to diesel. Both of those options should be seriously considered, according to Rod Ferguson, the local general manager of product planning and development for the brand. And we are currently doing just that. For instance, some farmers keep diesel on their properties because it is more convenient or because you live in an area where gasoline isn't available. Technically, it is possible, and there are undoubtedly ongoing discussions. It all comes down to our desire to reduce our carbon dioxide emissions. Toyota Australia has upgraded the Fortuner, adding more technology as standard equipment for 2023. However, the Fortuner has also become more expensive, with its entry-level GX, mid-range GXL, and flagship Crusade variants now $635, $735, and $1,535 more expensive at $49,000, $55,000, and $62,940 plus on-road costs, respectively. A range-wide edition of Toyota Connected Services, which provides emergency call functionality and stolen vehicle tracking, is offered to customers as compensation for the premium. While the GX and Crusade now have dual-zone climate control after previously only having single-zone setup, the GX has also gained an illuminated instrument cluster. In addition, the Crusade now features surround view cameras, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Like its rivals, the Isuzu Mux, Ford Everest, Mitsubishi Pajero Sport, and the iDVD 90, the Crusade is powered by a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine that produces 150 kilowatts and 500 newton-meters of torque. Motor with 4 cylinders and a 4-wheel drivetrain with such a rear drive shaft lock, the large SUV is coupled to a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission. The new Fortuner may receive the same treatment as the new Toyota Hi-Cross, which has modern features like a panoramic sunroof, wireless phone projection, a new instrument panel, and a 360-degree setup. Toyota is working to change the public's perception of its brand, which is not known for having modern features. So, after watching this, what do you expect is happening? With that, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so you can watch the upcoming videos. Also, share your thoughts in the comment box.